Hey everyone, welcome back. And we are in the Hall of Monuments. And guess what that means? It's time to start a new monument. We are going to do the Seattle Space Needle. I had a special request from a friend, so here we go. Okay, so this is going to be our building site for the Seattle Space Needle. It's just with the thing that we're going to try to build, the Space Needle, it requires a big flat area of space. That's the ideal building area. There isn't a specific biome that we need. I'm just going to get rid of these sheep a second, just because I need those off the screen. There we go. So, just a nice big flat area will do. So, shall we get our materials together? And get rid of these other materials I don't need at the moment. So, I'm not going to use my quartz blocks, but I'm going to switch over here. And so we've seen pictures, a lot of people have seen pictures of the Seattle Space Needle. It's a white metal, but for the sake of aesthetics, we're probably going to end up using stone. This is closer to solid white, so rather than smooth quartz. Although really there's not too much difference. What other? Well, let's just start by building the frame with that. On the other hand, I'm going to get some black concrete. Okay, so start. Okay, so I'm going to place, well, you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to place a whole bunch of these all the way into the middle, all the way across rather. That way, when I go to find what I need, I can just, well, I can just cut it out. So we're going to go with that. And we're going to slowly kind of curve in as we go further. Unfortunately, since there's no ability for elevators in Minecraft, what we're going to do is we're going to use scaffolding, which is actually similar in color to the elevators on the real Space Needle, which are almost a yellow cream color. So we're going to use scaffolding, and of course we're going to build our steps right in the middle. So at this stage, the pillars on the side are just a whole bunch of towers, or rather the legs of the Space Needle are just going to be a whole bunch of towers at different heights to give it a somewhat arced look. But again, Minecraft is designed to be a little bit chunky, so that's going to be as close as we're going to get. I made my tallest, oh no, let's not make that the tallest, but I'm probably going to have my tallest be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blocks tall to start with. So 15 blocks tall for the tallest tower that will be in part of our strut. Or leg, rather. I don't know why I call it a strut. there we go. Now we'll just copy it a couple times here so we can get a good sized chunk of space taken up, so there's room in the middle for a decently sized stairway. Oh dear, I might not have enough space here. How many do I need? Okay, well, let's see. I think I can make it work. Okay. I'm just gonna copy again and again until we have six. Oh, and I'm building it the wrong way. I appear to have forgotten that our farthest one this way started to build a identical copy, like I copied and pasted this section of the build right there. So it ended up being mirrored the wrong direction. So continue. Perfect. Shh. Okay. Now I just gotta place these tabs. Good, I had some decent leftover room. Okay, just gonna wrap up filling in these spots here. And then I'm gonna make 2 more legs, and then I'll go ahead and pause. I'll go ahead and pause the video while I'm doing that, so you don't have to watch me repeat the same actions over and over. Okay, we're back. So I just finished these legs right here. So just a second, I've been asked to do something.